Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Southwest Desert Farming. I'm Michael here, and Stacy's inside doing lunch up, but I'm here at the front third of my property under one of my beautiful male pistachio trees. But I'm over on this side fence line. Being as 5 acres out in the desert, we do need to make sure our fence lines are good, and one side did not have a fence line at all, and we have since had problems with dogs coming in. I do worry about the coyotes, which one of the first things we did was set up our front fence line, but we need to get this other set up because even some neighborhood dogs get in and they have messed with our chickens. And good thing about fence lines is it helps maintain some kind of security animal wise, and just gives us a little sense of boundary. Anyways, let's turn it around here for you. Like I said, it's 5 acres. Here we have where the posts are set up, and it's about 360 feet to the section back there, which is actually an alley because these two properties used to be together. Anyways, gonna get up on in here, get some fence spliced together, and get this raised up. And thank you again for watching. We'll get you another video here real soon. Take care.